Tools used in removal and replacement. Ensure that you have the tools you need before you begin. These should include small, Phillips head, P0 and P1, screwdrivers. Small, flat blade screwdriver or a flat blade alignment tool. Case separator tool. Tweezers. Electrostatic discharge, ESD, wrist or shoe strap. Smooth jaw, bent tip needle nose pliers, optional. Small, smooth tip needle nose pliers, optional. Flashlight, optional. Note, if worn or damaged screwdriver tips are used, the small screw heads could become stripped.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, speakers, M.2 solid-state drives, thermal module, DC-in module, motherboard, CU plate, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left hinge support bracket to the display enclosure. Remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left hinge support bracket to the display enclosure. Remove the left hinge support bracket from the alignment pins and retention tabs on the display enclosure. The right hinge support bracket is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the hinge support brackets.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.